Good evening, everybody. WedgeBob here. Tonight I'm going to be showing you how to cook a naan pizza. I'm coming into the kitchen right now. I'm going to be setting this down here so I can record the whole footage here for you. Best I know how. Let's see. Breaking egg, where do I set this? Well, first off, obviously I'm going to be putting my naan bread on here, so let's do that right now. They should be in here, yep. We'll just take a loaf of this out. Get placed down. This is a good one. Yep, this will probably be the back side. This obviously is the side that we'll be using. So we'll be putting this away right now. Put that back. Next up, we'll be getting some pizza sauce. And that will be in here. Whoops. Alright, good, nice. Alright, I'll definitely be taking a spoonful of this and putting it over, so. Well, first off, I really should be oiling and putting garlic powder on. Let's do that real quick, yeah. Forgot about that part. Hopefully I have enough oil here to do this. Let's find out. Not, well, I suppose I probably could use the spray butter. That seems like, yep, that seems oiled up enough. Alright. Good, nice. Garlic powder. Get that out. Yep, there we go. It's open. And just sprinkle it all around the crust. There we go. Oh yeah, this should be put back up here. Yep. Alright. Now we'll open this. And we'll just spoon some of this on and get that sauce flavor going. So we'll just do that. Slather it all over here and alright, I think that works. Alright, good, nice. Alright. This bag and get some cheese. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, cheddar might do alright. Somebody else has some more mozzarella, but I guess obviously, or wait a minute. Yeah, mozzarella. Yeah, we do. There we go. Or wait a minute. There we go. Pizza place. Jeez. Alright, pizza blend we got. Alright. So we get this on there. Somehow. Let's see. It might be an alright amount. There we go. Yeah, that might work. That's kind of what we have right here. Wow, that's the air fryer it's going into. And Yeah, that's the pizza that's going in there. Yeah, hopefully, yeah, that's the before shot. I don't know how well you can see that. Alright. Wow. So just take this out of here. Should definitely be deep enough. There is a 5-quart, this is a 5-quart air fryer basket, so it should fit really well in there. So while we on I don't know, should I preheat this? Yeah, probably might be a good idea. Let's do that. Oh yeah, it isn't even plugged in. Whoops. This is it. Yeah. Alright, so preheat it for 3 minutes. Yeah, it should probably work. Just rinsed off. Gotta be careful not to ruin the electronics here. Alright. And this probably, since it's only a plain cheese pizza, it'll probably be done within 5 minutes time at the full 400 degrees. So it's preheating now at 400 degrees for only 3 minutes. So yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, this is the first time I've been doing IRL cooking recording here for you guys here, so you're in for a real treat. Yeah, well, this is probably gonna be updating you there to how the rest of summer might go. I hope to do an IRL walking stream here around the neighborhood at some point. We'll see how well that goes. That'll be over the weekend. Yeah, but I sincerely do want to get a quick breakout of gaming there, I guess. Bring you guys along for another journey. Let's see, I'm trying to think about what else to really say. Well, yeah, let's just say I think that there's got to be quite a lot coming out me that you might like. Of course, I've been doing a lot of short gaming grinds here recently. Of course, I just got doing Doom 2, and like I said, I'm going to be doing hiatus here on episode 4 there for a while. Because it is a really tough episode there if you haven't noticed. But yeah, I'm probably pretty sure that there's I'm kind of gonna get into quite a lot there this week, and I'm gonna be doing maybe some Genshin. My Diaries of Novice game, the grind that's been doing pretty well from what I'm understanding, so I'll definitely be continuing that. Let's see. Well, of course, at Superland there, I'm sure I'm probably got to learn a lot about how to get through a lot of those puzzles there, because it's been a real struggle. Let's see, what other types of games if I want to do. Well, I'm gonna continue that New World. I know it's only a close beta, but I think you guys probably might want a little bit more of that. That's a game that's been going around. Horizon New Dawn, yeah, I probably might do some of that, but well, like I said, I'm sure any of the grindier games I'm probably not gonna be doing too much with, but well, I guess I'll save that for Twitch streamers there, I guess. Here we go. It's about ready to be done, so I'm about ready to get the piece and put it in. You guys will watch me do this now. I put the piece over here, maybe, I don't know. Alright, well, that's done, so let's put that over here. Grab the pizza very carefully. Yeah, obviously, this is probably gotta be, just drop it very carefully. Your cheese should stay intact. Does, alright, good, nice. Put this back in. And, yeah, with this one, let's see. We're going to probably put this, see. Now we'll just set this to all the way to 400 and then set this down to 5 minutes, I think. Yeah, maybe 6. Alright. And that should start frying up a little bit. So yeah, we'll let that fry up. Let's see. I think 6 minutes should do it. Around 10:40 at night, huh? Yeah. I know you should be sleepy instead of eating real heavy, but you know, sometimes you gotta go degenerate with this stuff. Yeah, plus I probably gotta be an intermittently napping bell anyway, so no worries. I'm sure I'll make up for it after work there tomorrow somehow. It's gotta be a rainy day, so yeah. No idea what to tell you otherwise. Yeah, for right now, what other updates do I have? Well, obviously, I'm probably gonna be doing some more IRL streaming like this on my iPad. Well, of course, obviously, it's gotta be a bit different. Of course, I already did that with that vintage video game collection, so it's no surprise there. Let's see, what other things? Oh yeah, I better turn this board here because I'm gonna need that to cut it, huh? So, yeah. Alright. So I'm trying to think about what else to think about here. Well, things have been going fairly well there, IRL for myself there. I mean, like, I am on site for 3 days a week, Tuesdays through Thursdays, and Mondays my long work from home day, and Fridays my short work from home day, and then, of course, obviously, I know that there's quite a lot of life there that you probably do have to be out and about for, but, well, of course, obviously, I know the Delta variant there, they probably got to change again for some people there. Let's hope it's not going to be too bad, because a lot of people do want to get back into summer hobbies and routines again, so I feel for people that want to do that. As I mean, obviously, one of that wants to get out of town again, because a lot of ethnic festivals around the neighborhood where I live. Let's see. What other types of things I like to think about? Well, there's probably quite a lot to really think about outside of gaming and cooking and stuff. Wow. I need to say, doing pretty good there with, I'm kind of stay as healthy as I can there, even though it's kind of difficult there because of all the stress and burn there that has been going on over the past year and a half, year and 3 months or 4 months or whatever it was. What other things are there? Well, obviously, obviously, some of you know I did lose my cat there a few months back. Poor Tiberius there. Yeah, I guess diabetes really had a hold on him there. It's really nerfed his lifespan. It's very sad stuff. But yeah, that's where I stand with that. Obviously, of course, obviously I know I've been doing a lot of gaming there for you guys there. It's been keeping me kind of sane. Well, of course, obviously, with all the distractions in real life now, I guess it's, yeah, IRL, yeah, okay, yeah, but, I'm pretty sure that there's gotta be some things that might return normal for me, but other things, I don't know. Yeah, well, obviously we're getting into the second half of summer. It's obviously a sadder time of summer. I know a lot of people, they wish summer could last forever. Well, what do you do? We're here in the Midwest. There's some people that go either way about it. Of course, I feel you guys out there in the Pacific Northwest are having to deal with the heat that's usually reserved for the desert. Yeah, around here has been fairly comfortable here in the Cleveland area, so I can't lie about that. Well, of course, there's obviously a lot that could be said otherwise. Yeah, of course, right now it's for me it's basically just been eating, grinding games, and watching Twitch streamers. It's probably been my life there since the pandemic began. It's very sad times, I know. I don't know. It's just not much else people can really do in life there nowadays. Very sad, really. Yeah, well, the piece is about to be done. Only, yeah, here we go. It's about ready to pull it out of the oven there and show you the finished product there before I go about cutting it up there and putting it on a plate. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. And yeah, off it goes. You can hear the air fryer sizzling away. Here's the final product. Let's hope I can get a fairly decent. Sure, how you can see it, man. It's kind of dark, isn't it? Let's turn on the sink light. Give me a hot minute here. Yeah. There's the final, yeah, you can probably see that now, hopefully. Alright, let's, yeah, with that, then I gotta cut this up, put it on a plate, and, yeah, up until I see you in the next gaming grind, this has been WedgeBob, well, heating up and, making, non-bread pizza there for you guys, signing out.